It will help you access the AI music tool in Capcut Mobile completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
In order to access the AI tool, this tutorial will make sure that you have Capcut Mobile. Your video clip is not selected, but click here and now it's deselected. Go to the bottom left hand screen and click the second option, Audio. Here you want to make sure that you click the option AI Music or the second option, which is a free Capcut Mobile feature. Here you can click to describe the music. If you're happy or satisfied, you can click Generate. Capcut Mobile is going to successfully generate the free music. As you can see on the screen, there are a couple different options of AI music that Capcut Mobile has pulled. And once you're happy or satisfied, you can even click here to save this if you would like, or you can click the plus icon right here. Should I say this is the before? This is the after. Completely for free.